This is a demonstration of how to publish and author a point cloud document using the GeoSync GO cloud 3D tools. We're going to publish a point cloud created by scanning a head wall using a GeoSlam zeb-revo scanner. This was a very quick scan, less than a minute, so the data set is very small. The 3D Tools interface is a desktop tool which allows you to publish point clouds of any size to either the cloud or a local web server for viewing and integration with existing or new 3D workflows. We've already signed in to our GeoSync GO cloud account and started the 3D tools. Once started, the tool searches your published point clouds and displays them in an easy to navigate tree view. We can see here on the left. To publish a new point cloud, we need to add a folder, give it a name, and we can add some other information such as the source of the scan, GeoSlam, and description, head wall test. And we'll add this folder. We select the folder. At this point, if we needed to make changes to any of the data, we can use the edit button here. The next step is to convert our point cloud. We will select the point cloud from the list. We've already done that. Head wall first scan. It gives us a little information, tells us how many points. This has 168,000 points. And at this point, we will convert this. Conversion means we take the LAS file and we convert it into a much more web-friendly format. We use Poetry, which allows us to work with very, very large point clouds. And how much time this takes is dependent on the size of the point cloud. That's complete. The next thing we do is to author our document. In this case, this would be an iterative process because we may not know exactly how we want this to look, but a few things we can make immediately. We can give it a description, head wall, scan, GeoSlam. We'll change the background to black. And we do know because the GeoSlam, we need to render that based on height. And I've already got some idea on the height ramp range, and I'm going to enter the information regarding that. And we'll save our settings. The next step is to publish the point cloud in the document. First time we do this, we need to make sure that we have the published point cloud, which will upload the data. And then we also want to make an HTML document, and then we want to publish that document. And this gives us a list of our URLs, and this is the primary URL for the published point cloud. We'll click Publish. Again, this is going to run very quickly because it's a very small scan. As soon as we do this, then we can go ahead and view our 3D document. And let's open that up and see what we have. In this case, this is our culvert that we scanned. Some things that we might want to make changes to. We might want to come back and update our document so that this is the startup view. We can make changes based on the camera position and target for that. From here, then we could also quickly do some measurements if we wanted to do so, such as the height here, and we can make that mark and then see the actual height of that open.